At LEI, we are committed to providing homeowners the finest custom replacement windows. Windows that provide a lifetime of energy efficiency, beauty, and maintenance freedom. As part of this commitment, we've developed a critical installation process that is followed by every installer on every project on every window. This video is an overview of the LEI window installation process and is one small piece of the immersive installation training you will receive. Please note that there are many municipal, state, and national codes governing product selection and installation. This video will focus on a relatively traditional replacement project. Our installation specialist is conducting the first critical element of every perfect replacement window project: accurate measuring to ensure precise size and fit. At LEI, we measure the width of every window opening in 3 different zones: bottom, middle, and top. We measure the opening height in the middle of the existing opening. Measurements and window location are immediately recorded on an LEI measuring sheet. Depending on the opening, the installation specialist may also be required to measure the distance from the bottom of the window to the floor. This measurement will be used to determine if the window will need to be built with tempered glass. Geometrically shaped windows, like these quarter-round units, are measured at multiple points along the radius. For more complex shaped windows, the LEI installation specialist will create an opening template to ensure flawless calculations. Upon arrival at the residence, installation specialists carefully unload the windows, typically placing the windows in their general installation location. Prior to removing any existing window units, the specialist rechecks the size of the opening versus the size of the replacement window. This check eliminates the possibility of the premature removal of any of the home's existing windows. In order to protect the home and property and to minimize dirt and dust, LEI installation specialists use drop cloths on the home's interior and, when possible, the exterior as well. Please note that LEI requires homeowner customers to remove any window treatments and pull furniture back from window openings prior to the installation. Once the project site is prepared, the installation specialist begins to remove the old window, starting with the sashes and other moving parts of the existing unit. Notice the special care taken to protect the integrity of the home's interior, as well as minimizing any broken glass. Piece by piece, the installer will remove all the components of the existing window. In this application, one installer will use a vacuum suction cup to safely secure the top glass unit, while the other installer works on loosening the glass unit from the exterior. For this type of sash, a blowtorch is used to loosen the existing sash sealant, and a glazing knife is used to deglaze the glass from the main frame. Once all of the window components are removed from the existing main frame, the installer deeply scribes the caulking on both the interior and exterior of the existing window frame. This will further protect the home's interior and exterior walls and help to ensure a clean and energy-efficient installation. Now, the installer cuts the bottom center of the existing main frames to help with removal and protect the integrity of the wall surrounding the interior and exterior of the opening. After the frame is cut, a pry bar is used to remove the frame pieces from the wall. Extreme care is taken to prevent any damage to the windowsill or existing trim, including the use of a wood block and glazing knife. Once the old frame is removed, the installation specialist begins preparing the existing opening to receive the new custom-made lifetime replacement unit. Careful removal of all existing sealants, nails, insulation, and other construction debris is a key component for a clean, energy-efficient replacement. In order to fabricate precisely fitting trim required for an LEI installation, the specialist once again measures the opening. At this point, he will also confirm that no additional work is needed for the opening to properly receive the lifetime replacement unit. Although it takes both time and skill, LEI's on-site fabricated installation accessories and components provide our homeowner customers with weather-tight openings as well as beautifully finished projects. Once the finish channel is properly cut, the installer will secure them to the opening to create a strong finish channel. Once the opening is completely ready to receive the new replacement unit, the installer unwraps the window and removes the bottom sash to make it easier to maneuver into the opening and seat it completely. It's during this phase of the installation that the precision of the LEI measurement method really pays off. Custom lifetime windows that fit the opening flawlessly. After seating the window and before securing it, special fiberglass bat insulation is placed around the exterior perimeter between the new window and the existing wall opening. This step adds to perimeter energy efficiency and prevents air infiltration. In order to ensure proper sight lines and smooth operation, the top sash is slightly lowered and checked for square and equal margins from side to side. Once confirmed, the anchoring screws are installed. After the unit is anchored, all installation holes are sealed with special heavy-duty caulk. And a top header expander accessory is applied to provide a clean and beautiful interior finish. The installation specialist then fine-tunes the new unit by placing the stops and other accessories into their proper positions. Bottom sash is reinstalled into the mainframe and checked for a square installation by engaging the unit locks into the lock keepers. The installer then moves to finishing the minor gaps between the new replacement unit mainframe and the existing wall. Finally, the installer applies special finishing sealant to the interior and exterior of the new window. While the LEI installation method takes more time and requires a higher level of skill and craftsmanship, we know the end result is far superior to other installation methods. We also know that homeowners agree. At LEI, our products and installations are crafted to last a lifetime, and our installation specialists are a critical part of our success.